So hi, I'm Colin. Wow.
I'm Bob.
Back up the boat. So I'm Colin with Holley Performance Products. We're at Power Tour 2019 in Martinsville, Virginia. And I brought my Calypso 1992 Fox body. What I did this year was exhaust. I blew up my speaker in my trunk, so I fixed that. And then I built the most redneck air conditioning system you can possibly do. So this is what's called a swamp cooler. And essentially, it's 3-inch dryer duct plumbed into an Igloo personal cooler that might hold a 12-pack. And I took 20 feet of dryer duct and kind of looped it around, and you put ice on top of it, and then a blower motor out of a boat. So it forces air through the dryer duct and then into the car. Last year on Power Tour, this thing has an air compressor but no AC. So it was roughly 90-something degrees going down the road, and it was miserable. Well, this year I brought my girlfriend, and she was not having that. So I built this, and it's probably dropped the ambient temperature in the car around 15 degrees, and I'm glad I did it. The exhaust is Flowmaster. Prior to doing this, my decibel level in the driver's seat was 102 decibels. It was almost undrivable for long trips. You could drive it in town and be fine. So I put tailpipes on the car instead of axle dumps, and it dropped the decibel level about 12 decibels, which is huge for driving down the road. As you can see, there's a silicone clamp holding the exhaust on because I don't have a welder at the house, so I just made it happen. The night before we left, I was up till midnight, and I hadn't packed that at that point. So I got home, I put the whole exhaust on, which didn't fit because it's not made for an LS swap, but it is made for a direct fit on a Fox body. So it went over the axle tubes, everything was good, but I had about this much room of just unknown. So that was how much pipe I had to come up with. So I had some 3-inch tube at the house and a Milwaukee Sawzall. So I chopped the tube up, I ran it through a grinder, you know, to smooth everything out so I didn't kill my clamps, and made it work. Now day 2 in Martinsville, and hopefully this thing makes it to day 3 in Bristol and the rest of the way all the way up to Norwalk. Norwalk's an amazing facility, amazing track, and they have $1 ice cream. So if you can make it with us, please come to Norwalk and see us on the last day.